There are a number of devices that are found in the control circuit that help the system operate safely. One common safety device is the high-pressure control, which is normally closed, and its contacts will remain closed until an unsafe pressure level is detected in the system. When the system is operating, the voltage across the device will be zero since the contacts are closed. If the system experiences an increase in pressure that's higher than desired, the contacts on the switch will open, resulting in a voltage reading across the pressure switch. In most cases, the high-pressure switch is a manual reset control, and the cause for its opening must be located and remedied before the control is reset. Another common safety device is the low-pressure switch. This device is also normally closed, but will open its contacts when a reduction in pressure is detected. When used as a safety device, the low-pressure switch will de-energize the system compressor if a partial or complete loss of system refrigerant is detected. The low-pressure switch can also be used to provide temperature control in refrigeration systems. As the temperature of the refrigeration box drops, so does the pressure. The low-pressure switch cycles the compressor on and off to maintain the desired box temperature. Another common use for the low-pressure switch is in the case of a pump-down system. In this type of system design, the low-pressure switch causes a compressor to cycle off when the desired space temperature is reached. In this system, the space thermostat is wired in series with the liquid line solenoid instead of the compressor contactor. When the space reaches the desired temperature, the thermostat will open its contacts, de-energizing the liquid line solenoid. This will prevent refrigerant from flowing to the system's expansion device. The compressor will continue to operate, but the pressure on the low side of the system will begin to drop. When the low side pressure reaches the cutout pressure, the low pressure switch will open, de-energizing the coil on a compressor contactor. This will de-energize the compressor as well. No matter how the low pressure switch is used, the position of the switch can be determined by taking a voltage reading across it. Remember, a reading of 0 volts indicates that the switch is closed. A voltage reading across the switch indicates that the switch is open. Other safety controls sense unsafe temperature levels and are designed to disable a system if such conditions exist. Once again, a closed device is identified with a reading of 0 volts, while an open switch will have a voltage reading across it. Other safety devices include fuses, circuit breakers, overloads, as well as a number of specialty devices. For example, there are normally closed switches that will disable a system if the level of condensate accumulation gets too high. Although we've discussed only a small sampling of the safety controls that are found in our industry, the basic method for troubleshooting these devices is the same. Remember that safety devices should always be in closed position unless an unsafe condition exists.